Good morning from HJP's auction house in Ledbury for our viewing day of the motorcycle parts and motorcycle auction, which is on Friday and Saturday. As you can see, there is a huge selection of bikes requiring some work and a huge selection of spares here. I'll just try and take you for a walk around and you can see what's here. There's a crash damage, spares and parts missing. Yeah, just all they need a little bit of work. And then they got a huge area which is just all spare parts. Very quick walk through. And yeah, you could easily build a few motorbikes with just the parts that they got lying around. And the parts auction is on the Friday. Yeah. It's a hell of a selection. Royal Enfield tank. Yeah, could be an interesting project. Got AJ's with sidecar. DC125. Classics at the back again. And then we're moving on now to what's going to be in the bike auction, which is on the Saturday morning. There are several rooms of bikes, which we're going to have a walk through. That could be quite a fun project. Right. Let's go have a look around the motorcycle rooms. Try and get my gimbal to do what I want it to do. It doesn't seem to want to do recently.
I think it is. I think so. Hold on, let's get fresh in their teeth. I think
So I looked at this FZR before, and it was in the last auctions. It didn't sell.
Oh, on here, it is here, look. There it is.
Gixxer. It's Bill Motors, a rare one. That's tempting. 955 Daytona, but I'm not sure what the value would be. Yamaha TDR. big BMWs. They've always got a good selection of motocross bikes in here available. Yeah, walk back down. Do you like the Yamaha heritage colours? Some of the smaller bikes, CB250 Super Dreams, 200s, some Suzuki 100s and 125s.
That's the sports one. Yeah, they do on them. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I've. But this. You said this is Ledbury, isn't it?
Some more of the classics. Little BSA Bantams. Some very nice BSAs.
Yeah. What's on there, are they?
Some Royal Enfields. Yeah. Loads more trail bikes. Triumphs. So yeah, the motorcycle auction is going to be held on Saturday, the 17th of May.
What year is this one, Keith?
This is 62 250. 250.
No, this is 250.
No, I'm wrong one.
Something for the mods and rockers.
64.
That's Quadrophenia. So cool. Vela sets. Very classic British motorcycles. Some really classic. The Francis, Douglas, Royal Enfield, Sunbeam Company, Norton. Excelsior. Some more Vela sets. Classic BMW. Some BSA Trials bikes. BSA. Be a nice project for someone. And we've got some Nortons down here. Norton Commando 750. Stock chairs. There we go. Something special. Alright, let's take a walk up and have a look in the other rooms.
Yeah, it is. It is on
Just a huge auction house. Like I say, the selection of bikes they have here is incredible. A lot of There's some more racing bikes. A lot of trials, grass track racing. Enduro, motocross. That's a little bit interesting. Come back and look at that one in a minute. This room is just absolutely rammed full. Bikes, Husqvarna. Trail bike. Little Honda. Just so much here. Some of these are gonna be for parts. That Russian one was in last time, that didn't sell. And some classic Royal Enfields on the left in a minute. Drago. US Yamaha. That was Matchless. AJ's. Little Royal Enfield. And back to these Benellis. MV Augusta, little Ducati. Lots. Enduro. Motocross. And we got one more room to look around. That looks a lot of fun. Straight pipes as well. I'll try and see what they got in here. There's mostly smaller bikes in here. A classic MG. Yeah, this is smaller stuff. I'll get a couple of KTMs. Ducatis. So yeah, interesting selection for sure. So I'm going to leave a video off here, and the auction for the parts is on Friday the 16th of May, and the auction for the motorbikes is Saturday the 17th of May.